Sabi nila, mas sulit ang journey kapag may road trip at sunset. Kaya sa lakad na to, sinulit namin pareho. Kaya't samahan nyo kami sa aming road trip at sa aming first time camping. From Imus, Cavite to Lubo, Batangas. At syempre, as always, alas 7 na naman nung umalis kami ng bahay. Sa Open Canal Road kami dumaan. Dati lang. Tapos ang exit sa MCX. Tapos diretso ng SLEX hanggang pag-exit natin sa Star Tollway. Apa? Sarap buhay. Hello, hindi pa pala kami nakapag-order.
Nag-order na po sila.
Wala pa. Sausage McMuffin, dalawa.
With ash brown po.
Sige. And fries. A large fries na rin.
373, sir.
Ito. Pamix na lang ng coffee, please, ha? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shake your shoots while our hips measure and jump wild. The feeling's amazing. Laser burn is made its way to the neon roads where I roam. And this beach, the one that made it come home.
Ganda lagi ng bundok na yan. Palagi may ulap sa taas. Ayun o, no?
Saan kaya yan natin?
Time check, 8:30 na. Nasa SLEX pa rin tayo. Malayo-layo pa rin pero malapit na yan. Tsaka ang ganda ng panahon. Tsaka ang ganda ng bundok na yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung bundok na yan. Palaging balot ang ulap. Ang sarap tingnan. At magka-camping din pala kami ngayon. First time namin, kaya hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Kung magiging maayos bang setup, kung makakatulog pa kami na maayos. Pero isang bagay lang ang sigurado. Kahit anong mangyari, mag-i-enjoy kami at gagawa ng mga alaala na hindi namin makakalimutan. Tsaka dagat, sunset, tsaka magluluto-lutuan, tsaka magbabahay-bahayan. Para sa akin, wala nang tatalo doon.
Coffee steaming, sunrise glowing, windows down and our
Magkano yan?
hearts are
275.
open.
275. Mahal din
We're chasing the daylight. Seat beside me.
Tapos,
soft
flyover.
laughter, radio playing our forever in. Oh, we're riding the skyline. I see the sun, we're ready to run this Sunday morning. Miles on the road, hearts beating slow, we keep on going, yeah. We keep on going. We're finally free now, just you and me rolling.
Welcome to Lobo ulit. Ay, Lobo. Hindi ba naririnig ko Lobo? Sama din Lobo siguro.
Dreams unfolding. Every moment feels like golden. Oh, we live in the moment. We're finally free now, just you and me. Oh.
May kabayo. Huwag mo nang paluin. Paluin mo pa eh. Hindi naman nata papaluin. At nakarating na nga kami dito sa campsite. Punta Malabrigo. Nakapunta na kami dito before. Pero first time namin dito ngayon mag-overnight camping. At ang ganda ng lugar. Kakaiba. Yung mga gamit namin na dala ngayon, lahat galing sa TikTok. Doon ko binili kasi mura lang. Testing pa lang naman eh. Tsaka na tayo mag-upgrade pag palagi na tayo magka-camping.
I go to party, I feel like a ghost and try to seem happy, but everyone knows, baby, I'm still crazy about I'll pick up the children, you stay by the door. I try not to cry as I drive from my home. Hey, baby, I'm still crazy
Medyo tagilid pa to. Dahil sa hangin, no? Okay na yan. Yun.
Why don't we try to make this love better? Why don't we try? Give me one more dance. I wake in the morning and I reach for you, but all I find's darkness.
Isang fruit salad. Magkano kaya? Tina.
I'm
Tama?
still paying.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I drive to the ocean where we used to go, but all of that beauty, it ain't there no more, baby. I'm still crazy about
Lamig?
why don't we try to get better together? Why don't we try? Give me one more chance. Why don't we try to make this love better? Why don't we try? Give me one more. Give me one more chance. Give me one more.
At after ng swimming sa dagat, habang nakikinig kami sa sound trip ng katabing tent, iniisip ko kung ano ba ang ginagawa habang nagka-camping. Tapos na-realize ko, wala ka palang dapat gawin. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay mag-relax, mag-swimming at kumain. Ilang sandali pa, naisipan na rin naming maglakad at puntahan yung sikat na lighthouse nila dito. Dito kami dadaan sa tabing dagat at aakyat pataas sa lighthouse. Hindi na rin ganong kataas yung sikat ng araw, kaya pwede nang ilaban sa lakaran. Woo! Effort! Ganda dito. Kahit nakakahinga lakit eh. Solid.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, narating din natin. Diyos ko. Ampagal. Oof. Leg day. Cardio. Dami tao. Siyempre, katulad namin, marami ring gustong mapuntahan itong lighthouse. Kasi ang ganda niya, tsaka ang ganda ng kulay. At alam nyo ba na itinayo ito noong 1896 pa? At ang purpose nito ay, alam nyo na?
In the sunset, sky so blue, and it's all because of you. I held your hand in the glow, so tender, one soft touch. Now I know we're forever. Forge us till the song.
At nagsisimula ng lumubog ang araw. Kaya nagsimula na rin kaming magluto ng gabihan. Medyo gutom na rin kami kasi huling kain namin ay yung sa McDo pa. Tsaka first time rin namin magluluto sa sunset sa tabi ng dagat at napakagandang experience. Ang ulam nga pala namin ay marinated chicken at beef tapa lang. Parehong galing sa Alfamart, pero goods na yan. Ganun talaga siguro pag first time mo. Wala kang plano, excited ka palagi, kaya nakakalimutan mo mamalengke.
We took a slow drive down Golden
At nag-sunset na. Grabe ang ganda. Para sa akin ito ang view na walang talo pag nasa dagat ka. Wala kang ibang gagawin kundi manood habang papalubog ang araw.
Every moment felt true, just me and you. It's all because of you. In this sunset, ooh, sky so blue, and it's all because of you.
Ganda, tahimik ang paligid. Sulit dito. Relax. Tsaka yung kape ko sa McDo. Kanina umaga pa yan. Baka abutin pa ng bukas yan. Bukas ulit. I love. Good morning. Next day, pagkagising, nagkape lang kami at nagalmusal. Medyo maulan ang panahon today, kaya kaunting drone shot lang at nag-asikaso na rin kami pauwi. At iniisip ko, saan kaya magandang pumunta next? Kung meron kayong suggestion, comment nyo lang sa comment section.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. All day long, right or wrong, you question everything. Why the grass is green, can I stay up late, and why do the bluebirds sing? Sometimes you cry your big blue eyes for no discernible reason. Your point of view, it comes and goes like the changing of the seasons. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane. It's bubbling over like sweet champagne. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You act just like your father, yeah, you laugh at your own jokes. You're pleased with your opinions, girl, you want the world to know. We don't need no Mona Lisa, don't need Dali or Chagall. You're like a miniature Picasso with your mama. mama's sunshine. You got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane. And it's bubbling over like sweet champagne. You got your mama's sunshine. You got your daddy's rain.